Here are 6 powerful tips to help you lose weight way more effectively in 2025. Tip number 1, you have to be in a calorie deficit. In other words, you have to eat less than your body requires. If you need help calculating out how many calories your body requires, there's a calculation you could do that I explain in another video that I'll link down below for you to check out. As a quick bonus to help you eat less and to be in a calorie deficit easier, I highly recommend the calorie density approach to eating. I also recorded another video on that, which I'll also link down below for you to check out as well. Powerful tip number 2 is you have to be more active. You've got to move more. Weight loss is relatively simple on the surface. If you simply eat less and you expend more than your body requires, you will begin losing weight more effectively. Powerful tip number 3 is being in the fat burning state more often. What does that mean? You want to be fasted more often. Your body only uses 2 sources of energy: glycogen from glucose from your food, and ketones or ketone bodies, which are created from your body fat. Well, if you eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks all throughout the day, well, your primary source of energy is going to come from glycogen, from glucose. As long as your body has enough glycogen stored up from your food, it's really not going to be using its stored body fat or its backup energy source for energy. So it's not until you haven't eaten for a period of time or you've fasted long enough where your body starts to open up its fat stores to be used as energy. A quick bonus tip for you is one of the more popular fasting strategies is called 16-8 intermittent fasting, which simply means you eat in an 8-hour window and then you fast for the remaining 16 hours, which usually includes your sleep time as well. Powerful tip number 4 is to be calm more often. When you're stressed out, your body locks down its fat stores as a survival mechanism. Literally, it enters into survival mode, and your body wants to preserve its stored body fat and energy to keep you alive. And so when you're stressed out or you're overwhelmed, you got a lot going on, it's really hard to lose weight because your body does not want to give up its fat stores. So to combat this, belly box breathe a lot more often to relax your body and your state. Be calm, relax, practice letting things go and being more present. Not worrying about the future, not beating yourself up about the past. If you can learn to let things go, you'll be more happier, calm, and relaxed throughout the day, and your body will open up its fat stores much more effectively for you because it's not feeling threatened and in survival mode, right? It's nice and relaxed. Powerful tip number 5, drink a lot more water. If you're eating a lot less and you're fasting a lot more, your body is going to naturally be more hungry. Well, if you drink water, a lot more of it throughout the day, it's going to suppress your appetite much more effectively, and it's even been shown to boost your metabolism while you're not consuming calories. So it's a win-win, in other words, and that's not even mentioning that it helps you detox your body, and it helps your body in all other aspects as well. Powerful tip number 6, you want to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Anytime you're losing weight or you're building muscle or changing your body in some way, all of that work being done on your body occurs at night when you're sleeping. It doesn't happen during the day when you're consciously awake because your body's primarily tending to your life throughout your waking hours. Well, if you're not sleeping enough, your body can't do what it needs to do. It can weaken its state of being, and it can even break down your immune system, which can be detrimental, especially during the winter months and cold and flu season. We want to ramp up our immune system. Well, in order to do that, you want to sleep at least 7 hours a night if you can. We want to set ourselves up for success the best that we can in 2025, and these are 6 very powerful tips that'll help you really lose weight way more effectively. Well, if you want to go even deeper into all of these concepts and you want to learn every single aspect about losing weight and you want help doing it, I highly recommend you check out my Lose 12 Pounds in 6 Week program. It was wildly successful at the end of last year. Some people lost 20 pounds in 6 weeks from it, and it really teaches you everything you need to know and helps you stay accountable to yourself each week for the 6 weeks. So if that's of interest to you, check out the link below to that program. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Hope this was valuable, and I hope you have an awesome rest of your day.